the last video, we have already connect line and Mac together, and you can recognize when you enter some words into your line bot, and the Mac can get the message, receive the message, and list on its report. And this video, we are going to add some reply module into the line bot, and also add intelligence into your line bot, just like a real human. So now, okay, we go back to our Mac, and we're going to add a reply module first. So first thing, we need to click plus to add another module. And then search line. And click to choose send a reply message. Here, you should select the same connection you configured earlier. Then you need to choose some token into the reply token place. So you need to find the events. Under the events, there is a token called reply token. Click it, and you will find the token has already inserted into the blank. Then set message to click the add item. Choose the text under the type option. For task, map the incoming events text. And you will find, try to find the text under these tokens, and you may find it under the events, message, and text. And click the task. And click the save. Now, we're trying to test again. Okay. Okay, let's do the test. Please don't forget to click the run once. And just say the same thing, maybe hello, to your bot. Okay, so your line bot can reply you, but it just echo your test only. Maybe we can try another time. Right? You just echo the same thing. And this part, I want to mention something. This echo task can provide the prompting words before we add AI. So if you see the reply within a couple of seconds, your event flow is solid. And some common pitfalls and quick fix, maybe like reply didn't send, you likely didn't map the reply token in send a reply message, or nothing happened after sending a message. Run once wasn't armed, or the wrong scenario is open, or don't forget to open the webhook, just like I mentioned in the last video. So now your live bot now triggered Mac instantly and sends an echo reply back to line. Next, we'll plug in Google Gemini, set system instructions, and upgrade from echo to AI-powered answers. Okay then, next session. So, in this session, we are going to add AI into our chatbot. So, like your chatbot is really intelligent. So now I'm going to upgrade the chatbot from Echo bot to AI bot. We'll connect Google Gemini in Mac, 8 clear system instructions, and have the chatbot answers in real time online. So the step 1, we need to create a Gemini API key. So the first step, you need to open Google AI Studio like this. Google AI Studio. And then under the main page, try to find the Get API Key, this button, and click it. Then click the Create API Key. Okay, try to name your key. I use the same name. Also, you need to create a new project. Service live bot. Create project. Okay, done. Create key. Okay, now you have an API key. So now you need to click your key and copy the API key. Don't forget to put on your note, and we will use it later. So now we are going to add Gemini into our Mac scenario. So back to your Mac, right click the Canva or click plus to add a module. Okay, we click right and add a module. Then search Google Gemini AI. Okay, we can find the Google Gemini AI, and then choose create a compression. Okay, let's connect them together. Okay, great. Because when we receive some message, we need Google Gemini AI to help us, just like use human brain to reply something. So between the receive text to response, we need this brain. So we put the Google Gemini AI between these two events, between these two modules. Okay, so now we click the Google Gemini AI and click the create a connection. The connection name, we still can use the same name, avoiding you forget it. Service live bot. Okay, use this. And the API key. Pass the API key you just copy from the AI Google Studio. Pass into this block. Okay, now you need to configure the Gemini request. First, the connection is the same. Select the same thing. Don't change it. And the AI module, I suggest you to choose Gemini 2.5 Fresh or Pro. If you choose the Fresh, it's a model providing fast, low latency replies. But if you choose the more professional model, that will be provide more professional response. Okay, under the message place, we need to add item. Under the row item 1 on row, you need to choose the user. Map the incoming log test from the watch event output. So here you need to add items, and the message type is text. And choose some mapping token. You need to choose the token under the events. And there is a message and it's test. Okay, click it. Also, add some system instruction. Under the system instruction, there is a prompt, and you need to add some system prompt into it. So you can just type, for example, like this is a smart smart hotel chatbot. And you can add more system prompt, for example, like some information, detect the user input language and reply in the same language, keep answer concise, ideally within 2 sentences, for example, like this. So there are so many guidelines you can give to your live bot. Then save it. Okay, the next step is you need to send Gemini's output back to line. So open the send and reply message module. In message, set type text. Then map the text to the Gemini result field from the completion module. So this place we need to remove it, then click the Gemini module. Under the Gemini module, we will find a result. Then save the scenario. So okay, now we need to try it, test end to end. Don't forget to save the module when you create it. Save the scenario you have when you build it already. Okay, let's try our bot. And also don't forget to click if you every time when you want to try it or you need to provide this service on the market, you need to open it, and also you need to turn on immediately as data arrives, and choose some option if you want to choose, and type some maybe maximum rounds to start per minute and click save. Okay, now we can test it. Okay, let me type hello. You will see the process here. Because I used the Gemini 2.5 Pro model, so you will find, it takes a long time. Okay, you got the response. Hello, how may I assist you today? Perhaps you would like to make a reservation at one of our restaurants? Okay, good. How about it? It sounds like a human, right? But if you think that takes too long, maybe you can choose another AI model, for example, like Gemini 2.5 Flash, that will give you a faster response. Okay, after change the model, we can try to test it again. Don't forget to save it and open the immediately as data arrives, and also click the run once. Okay, let me ask some questions. Okay, I asked it, do you have smart room available? Because I give them some knowledge about the hotel's room. There's 100 smart room and average room has hundreds. And I remember I put some language limitation to the robot. I say when the user types certain language, please reply the user the certain language. So I'm trying to use Chinese Mandarin to ask question. Oh, okay. So when I type in Chinese, it also replied me in Chinese. That's good. Let me ask other questions. Okay, I see it. Do you have any restaurant? You reply me. You provide Chinese restaurant, Western restaurant, and a buffet restaurant. And it also asks you back. So this information you can add into your module on the Google Gemini AI and under the system instruction. So don't forget to put some specific information into the prompt. It will provide some knowledge to your live bot. So if you find something, for example, like you want to add some service into your live bot and provide some, maybe like the opening time, or maybe like the location, or some service, different kind of types of room, you need to add into the system prompt and save it. Don't forget, every time you save any changes in your module, you need to save it through this button. Okay, so now we have already built our AI-powered chatbot already. And not only it can receive some message, not only echo reply from the line, now we connect to the Google Gemini LLM to our live bot already. So you can just like communicate with someone like a human and answer you in different type of response. And some troubleshooting I should remind you. For example, like empathy or delayed AI reply, try to check API key validity or model selection, just like I do. Originally, I choose Gemini 2.5 Pro. It takes long time, so I changed to Gemini 2.5 Fresh. I get a faster response. And that the user message is mapped to Gemini. Don't forget to check this thing. And if you get non-deterministic tone, tighten system instruction, specific language policy, and brevity. Just like I mentioned, if you want to set some prompt to control what type of the response or even the tone, even the information, don't forget to use the system instruction here. If the scenario didn't run, maybe that is why. Maybe the run one's not armed, or immediately as data arrives disabled. Don't forget to turn on this too. And some tip for you, especially for the prompt. Under the prompt, you can set some state tone, length, language behavior, and the domain boundary explicitly, and latency and cost. Short prompts and short response reduce both. Use 2.5 Flash or Speed. So I think the users or the watcher, you have already know how to build a smart, real, intelligent chatbot through the Mac, Lloyd, and the Google Gemini now. You only have 3 modules from the watch events, create a completion, and send reply message. And you can build a live bot to serve your customer or user now. Any question, please leave your message. I will reply you. See you.